It has been several days since the snowstorm, and my driveway still looks like an ice skating rink. I'm holding a 35-pound kettlebell, dropping it into my driveway, and it's barely penetrating through it because of the thick ice. Now look at these people. This is so ingenious. I'm not sure why I didn't think of it, because they're working smarter, not harder. Next time when it snows, I would definitely do this. Put a tarp in my driveway and on the sidewalk before it snows, so that afterwards my driveway will not look like this nonsense over here. Even a 35-pound kettlebell is not penetrating through it, and I'm sliding all over the place. Absolute nonsense. This is the way to go. Good job, people. Thanks for thinking of this.